How to make white cheese. So first we're going to heat our pan. Then we're going to put 1 liter of cow milk. But it's supposed to be carabao milk. But since we don't have that, we're just gonna use cow milk instead. I don't know why, but I've already looked all over the town. It's really hard to find carabao milk there. Then we're just going to stir for 15 minutes while waiting for it to boil. We just have to stir, stir, and stir. Then after 15 minutes, it's finally time to add 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Then we're just gonna stir and let it melt. Then after all of the salt have melted, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar and just mix it thoroughly also. So we're just going to keep stirring and mixing so that the milk will not be burnt. It's also good to check it from time to time. So right now we can see little custard forming here and there. In this state, almost all of its content is solidified already. So now it's time to turn off the heat and unplug the cable. Now we will just wait and let it sit and let it cool off for probably about 15 minutes or so. While waiting, we will just get banana leaf and we will just rinse it so that it will be clean. So right now I'm just going to cut the leaves to pieces and to make the shape that I want. So right now I'm just making a string out of the leaves. So after waiting for 15 minutes, it's time to filter out the custard. So to filter it out, we can use clean cloth, but preferably we should use a cheesecloth. I'm so happy because we made a lot of custard today. Let's go! So now it's time to filter it out. We will just squeeze it a little bit, but not too tight so that there's still liquid that remains. So this is what it looks like. So now it's time to put it on the banana leaf. So now we will just wrap it up and just tie it. After tying it, it's time to put it on the ref. Please do not put it on the freezer, just on the refrigerator. So now we will see the result after the next day. So as of this moment, I'm really excited at the result of the finished product. So here it is. OMG, I can't believe it. So I just wanted to add this up real quick. This is whey, the liquid that we filtered out earlier. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed.